Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you best AI video generator app for Android. So the first step you simply need to do is to go on to the Play Store, and the first app I'm going to share with you is Video Leap. So this is the first app, that is AI video generator app that you can use for your AI video generator. And if you want dedicated videos, you can comment. I will share dedicated video how you can generate, but in this video I'm going to share with you the list of apps. So this one is the first app, Video Leap. So the second app is, that is KIPER. So this is the second app that you can use to generate AI videos. Here you can see. So the third app that I'm going to share with you is this app. You simply need to use this app as well to create AI videos. And the fourth app is AI art generator and maker. So this is the fourth app. You can use this app to turn photos into AI videos as well. And the fifth app is Somarang. So this is the last app that you can use as well to create AI videos. If you want dedicated video on each of these app, let me know in comment section. I will make a dedicated video as well. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.